So next up, guys, got a day cab truck here. So this is a 2009 Freightliner Columbia 120. Got right around 625,000 miles. Got the good Detroit Series 60 diesel motor in it. A lot of people really like that motor. Does have the Eaton Fuller 10-speed manual transmission, aluminum rims. It's completely rust-free, guys. Frame is extremely clean. Does have a headache rack. Rubber looks good. Air ride suspension. Got your mud flaps. It is an air sliding fifth wheel plate. You also got a PTO. You got a diff lock. It's kind of a good, clean truck. Good motor. I'm here with Garrett. He's gonna fire it up and get you a nice demo. She fires right up there, guys. Indulged out a little black smoke, but honestly, it's a pretty good looking truck. And today it's 32 degrees and rainy and kind of nasty out. It started right up, had no problems out. It probably hadn't been started for a couple weeks. I mean, the batteries in the car. Spin around the lot, just kind of bring it back to you. Motor sounds really healthy. So there's demo, guys, of the 2009 Freightliner Columbia 120. Be a day cab truck. Got your headache rack, clean frame, the good Detroit 60. So good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.